We're from the Dutch television.
Yes.
From Limburg.
Yeah.
And we were wondering about all the great items you have. So colorful.
Yes, yes. I love my garden. I'm from Brazil.
You are from Brazil?
Yes.
Can we come a bit closer?
Of course.
Yes? Oh, great. You already been to Singapore as well?
Yes. I travel around the world because I am a speaker in pelvic floor dysfunctions, or I am a teacher, and I go around the world to spread with Barry Bergams, my husband, lives here, talking about the pelvic floor dysfunctions, means urinary incontinence, things like that.
Ah, so the B is your husband?
Yes. Maura is my name,
yes.
And Barry, and my husband, Maura and Barry Bergams.
Dus voor de zekerheid, het is dus niet Mitch en Bart. Nee. Of Bas en Mitch, wat was ik al dags, hè? How do you do? My name is Bas.
Hi, Bas.
Maura.
Maura, yeah.
From Brazil.
Do you want to see my garden?
Yes, please.
Please
because
come in.
It looks great.
Yes, it's a very small, tiny house. But we decided to do, like in Brazil, very colorful.
Oh, yeah.
All my house, inside and outside, is colorful, and we decide because even in our kitchen, then you can sit in our kitchen. Come to see it. How beautiful it is. When I work,
Brazilian hospitality.
Yes, of course.
Mi casa es su casa.
Mi casa es su casa, yeah. You can see my garden there, you see? But when I sit here to work or to lunch, I can see my garden there.
Oh my God, what a fantastic kitchen you have.
Yes, and we don't have a dinner room. We always take our... I cook here because I'm also cooker. I love to cook.
Okay.
You can see in front of my house there, you see. And then I have my garden like this.
Okay. So what kind of dishes do you cook? Do you cook traditional Brazilian?
No, I lived 6 years in France. And I studied with one of the students from Bocuse. And I really learned a lot, and I received people in my house, ministers, all different kind of people in Netherlands, teachers from around the world, and they come to sit here, 8, 9 people, to enjoy a very nice lunch evening with us in this small, tiny, charming house.
So you learned how to cook, or how to cook better, with a student from Paul Bocuse.
Yes. In France.
Een van de beroemdste chefkoks ooit, Paul Bocuse. Wow. And so at this kitchen table, there were maybe some famous people that we know. You said ministers.
Gert Leers in the past. It was a minister.
Sorry?
Gert Leers. Gert Leers.
Oh, Gert Leers, the former mayor of Maastricht.
Yes, yes.
He was at this table?
He was at this table several times, yes. And a lot. The Clochards, my husband is one of the Clochards, or all the Clochards coming to eat here.
The Clochards is a famous carnavals group.
Exactly, yes.
Isn't there, because I heard it on the radio, in radio natuurlijk, that is there a book from...
Fantastic book. And now they are in all the news because they commemorated the 44 years.
4x11.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. 11 for 4 times.
Which is a carnival number, you know?
Yes, exactly.
11, 4 times 11.
Exactly.
We always say there is no such thing as coincidence. since we have started to make this show, we have encountered so many bizarre situations that we don't believe in coincidence anymore. It was meant to be that we were at your doorstep today because I heard about the Clochards this morning. And your husband is one of the Clochards.
Is Barry Bergams is the doctor.
The doctor.
The doctor in the group, we have a doctor.
Is there a picture somewhere from the Clochards?
Yes, I bring to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in. 2 seconds. I will bring.
We wait for you, Maura.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Het is een museum van kleuren en frutseltjes en ik wil dadelijk ook nog zeker even weten wie dat is. Dat ziet eruit als dat zou je een Nederlandse militair kunnen zien.
We have a lot, but this is one that's very nice coincidence because it's one of our favorite poems.
Oh my God!
Look it.
Oh yes, and that's why they call them the Clochards.
Exactly.
Oh my God, that was also a Jubilee 22.
Yeah, this is Jubilee 22. Look, it's not a coincidence. Look, 22 and now 44.
Oh my God.
That I bring this one for you.
Oh my God. And where's your husband?
Oh, my husband is the doctor. Let me see, where is him? Here. Look, with the glasses and his is the doctor.
His doctor's bag.
Dr. Barry Bergmas.
Fantastic. Maybe you can put it down against the kitchen block or...
Oh, like you want it here?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Voila.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Who painted that? Do you know?
No, but my husband can tell you.
Oh, it is signed. No. It is signed by someone. Vreke.
Yeah, Vreke in 2003.
Maura, is your husband also on one of these pictures?
No, that is something is our best friends when they die, or my sister, the sister of Barry, for some years or time they stay here because we would like to remember them.
Yes.
And then we put like my mother and there, and then I put some lights. Willie Gillenson when he died, the sister of my husband, or all our best friends. When you put, and then we change. Sometimes we need to change because a lot of friends die, but it's like a kind of commemoration for that.
Or you should buy a bigger cupboard.
Yeah, yeah. But the idea is just to remember how they are important for us. And to have a good memory, and I think they love when you do that. Yes.
Yes. And you spend a lot of time here at this table.
Yes.
So it's very easy to talk about the people who you love and who are no longer there at this table. When you have to take a glance up into the cupboard and you have. Yeah, something to talk about.
And you know, I sit here, I work with my computer, but I tell my husband, it's so interesting. In this last, for example, this summer, I can see in one day several different aspects of the day. Yeah. Rain, then shadow, then coming the light again. And I have a wonderful and big office at the clinic, but in Nederland, but I prefer when I need to think and create something, then I work here.
Total peace and quiet.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yeah. And then I can, in the same time, I'm working and I cook. For example, today I will do a risotto with shrimps and a very nice composition of fruits de mer.
Oh, fruits de mer.
Voilà.
Okay.
What time do you arrive?
Right. We should have come later.